once we decided there was a gap in the market in our area, we went on and said, look, we need to learn how to roof clean. Went on Google, came up, and that's how we're here. Straight on the website, spoke to Darren, my brother booked 2 places, but we're here. It's been an awesome course. Like I said, we've been going about 5-6 weeks, and all we've been doing is driveways. We've had inquiries on roofs, but we've said we're too busy. We'll look at the middle of May, knowing fine well we're going to get this course and then know what we're going to be doing when we go to a roof. So yeah. I would recommend 100% coming down to the Discover Softwash course. It's just well worth the money. The whole course is a great eye-opener. It's been really good, very informative course, and that's what you need if you want to make a business successful in this industry.